GRYP stock analysis price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Now here's the thing with Gryphon Digital Mining. This thing's like, looks kind of solid, but it gave me like a triple top that we're yet to break. And what I'm currently seeing, let's go 30-minute chart here, zoom in a bit, okay, fine, I was looking to take it up, it never kind of gave me the double break confirmation that I was looking to see. And I'll just get rid of this. The one thing that I care about now is a potential double break that could be happening on the 30-minute chart. And only if I do see that happening, I would look to take things further up, you know what I mean? Like, it's not that I'm gonna come here and randomly start buying or anything, but I'm ready for the future and I'm really willing to act. Instead of assuming stuff, I'll act on whatever the price is gonna give me. You know what I mean? Easy. So that's GRYP. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making investor insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.